Ladies and gentlemen, another leaked info with the 100% true news. Huawei Honor 10i, the official characteristics of the smartphone. Without the loud announcement, the Huawei sub-brand expanded the Honor 10 series. It's an Honor 10 Lite with more and higher resolution cameras. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification of our future videos. The Honor 10i with triple rear cameras leaked last week, and now it's been unveiled for the Russian market first. Despite having a lot in common with the Honor 10 Lite, this isn't in fact simply a rebranded version of that phone. The new smartphone received the iconic name Honor 10i and placed emphasis on the frameless IPS screen, which occupies 90% of the front area of the device. The resolution of this phone is 2340 by 1080, which is 6.21-inch diagonal, provides a pixel density of 415 ppi. The display has a U-shaped notch under the front camera with a resolution of 32 megapixels. The first and biggest difference between the two has to do with the cameras. The Honor 10i has an extra sensor on the back, but it also boasts a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The rear setup consists of one 24 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle snapper, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Kirin 710 8-core processor diluted with the GPU Turbo 2.0 function to improve gaming performance. This is also responsible for performing everyday tasks. Of the variations, only one model with 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal memory will be available to customers. Support for memory card implemented up to 512GB. It is worth highlighting the support of dual band Wi-Fi, the presence of NFC for contactless payment, and a 3.5mm jack for headphones. A 3400 mAh battery can power fast charging through a micro USB cable. The Android 9.0 Pie operating system is transformed by the EMUI 9.0.1 launcher. Honor 10i is made in a glass case in black, blue, and red. In Russia, the phone will be available for pre-order tomorrow on March 22, 2019. The first customer will receive a guaranteed gift, which is Honor Band 4 fitness bracelet. The price for the Russian market hasn't been announced yet, but local media expect the Honor 10i to cost at least Russian rubles 19,990, which means approximately $310 or 274 euros. Hopefully the phone will be unveiled in more places soon, so we will have official info on this as well. And finally, we are going to give you technical characteristics of Honor 10i in details. The processor is 8-core Kirin 710, the clock frequency of 2.2 GHz. Graphic processor will be Mali G51, GPU Turbo 2.0. The screen will be IPS 6.21-inch. Resolution will be 2340 by 1080. The pixel density will be 415 ppi. RAM is 4GB. Built-in memory will be 128GB. Main cameras are 24 megapixel module, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth measurement sensor, and the front camera will be 32 megapixels. Battery will be 3400 mAh, support fast charging but not supports wireless charging. Operating system will be Android 9.0 Pie as standard, with EMUI 9.0.1 user interface. It has a fingerprint scanner, headphone jack 3.5mm, and NFC. Dimension will be 154.8 by 73.64 by 7.95 mm. The weight will be 164 grams. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a fresh leaked but 100% correct info as per our resources of Honor 10i. We hope you like the video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. And until the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.